Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 2, Cell Structure and Organization. Let's begin with lesson. Animal Organ Systems. An organ system is a group of organs that function together to carry out the major activities of the body. The 7 main systems in the human body. Digestive system. Digestive system. The digestive system is composed of the digestive tract, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. These organs cooperate in the digestion of food and the absorption of digested products into the body. Gas exchange system. Gas exchange system. Including the lungs, which exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Quiz time. How many did you get right? Circulatory system. Circulatory system, including the heart and blood vessels, which transport materials around the body. Excretory system. Excretory system, including the kidneys, which filter toxic waste materials from the blood. Quiz time. Nervous system. Nervous system, consisting of the brain, spinal cord and nerves, which coordinate the body's actions. Endocrine system. Endocrine system, glands secreting hormones, which act as chemical messengers. Reproductive system. Reproductive system, producing male and female gametes, respectively, and allowing the development of the embryo. Quiz time. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.